Just for Fun Pictures presents Obion to You, now showing on Vimeo On Demand with subtitles in over 9 different languages. Click on the link below this video to watch. And thanks in advance for your support. Viewers and subscribers, stand out in Just for Fun colors, now available at our Teespring store. Viewers, if you have not as yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can know when we upload new content. And don't forget, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And for those who wish to show further support via donations, you can cash app us at $ Just for Fun. And for PayPal, paypal.me/Just for Fun. Thanks in advance and enjoy the show.
Welcome to the place where you want a good time. Just for fun, and the place where you open your mind. And just for fun, and we don't want to see it done. Just for fun, nothing to drop down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the place.
Oh, you mean, man? Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah, I know me have the laps, but I know my thing. I know my thing.
Arrogance business.
I don't know arrogance thing me I talk about in a father. I don't know arrogance thing.
And them idiot fool talk about art. Listen to me now.
Cutie, them flowers that look nice. I like them, man.
I don't want big. I can't go out for the weekend. I'll come back and show me and talk about it as a surprise. But as usual, let me get it right. Cause from long time, I'm telling them some more hydrangea in the front and hibiscus them in the back.
No, man, Cutie, look nice, man. You have to take care of him. Him get a good job done. To me, always in the kitchen, I cook, me never even know what going out there most of the time.
You know what? I true. Should at least give my E for effort. I forgive my kiss on them forehead.
Cutie, you're not easy, you know. You go tell me stay after all them sitting what big I do for you. You still not kissing on him mouth.
Oh, I'm to you, Doris. You hear a bounty killer say, my value is my self-value. I'm gonna care how much money I'm spending on. It not happen until me say when.
No, sir. Why, me not know. Poor bigger. Him a good man still do.
Yeah, me agree with you. Him is a good man, but him still need training. Him lucky.
Then it's who that him a talk to them at Jabi yard. A couple times when now me see him over there.
Oh,
It's a simple thing.
no from with there. Anyway, you know, the man get for sit down and feel comfortable, him drop asleep. Me all tell you sometime me all talk to him. Me all look over to see him all asleep with him mouth open. I tell him so one of them day I'm gonna just dose some salt down him throat. When they him come here asleep, I just wake him up and threaten him say, oh, no matter what me find out and I gotta breathe out there, you know. Oh. Watch for him now. Anyway, start him comfortable and drop asleep. Come bigger, wake up, man, wake up.
What kind of thing I deal with, Cutie? But if I show some of the tired of them thing, man.
It is oh, you so tired as of late.
What kind of thing I talk about, Cutie? But I show some of the studio every night when I work hard. So I can't take a look at cat nap on them thing there.
That's what you say. But anyway, I don't mind get comfortable, you know. But the sleep thing where you deal with from the day, I don't like it. Come like I get way too comfortable.
Cha, I handle my things, so Cutie. You can't show me like a tenderness and affection for once. And caring, you have to deal with my things so rough.
No, I'm not that with you right now, no, cause something not right.
What kind of thing not right? What kind of thing I talk about, Cutie?
All me I say is bigger. And all me ear say breathe and look at what this girl out there, you know. Me I cut you off. And no matter how much you beg and plead, me nah make you come back in my life.
So we gone on them thing there. How kind of breed girl thing you talk about, Cutie?
Me just make you know. You see all them Victoria's Secret to you buy me? I'm gonna tell you so one day when you do the right thing, I might make you see me in a them. Trust me. Somebody else gonna see me in a them. You're lucky.
But I tell you, say I stole them in the night time, man. Cute, you know some of them thing there. How about the thing look, so?
I just make you know what to expect. I'm from there, I pass out a hero circle, I see the one trigger, I'm out there and meditate. And all of a sudden, I kind of look interesting to me again, so you can go and stay there.
You know what, Cutie? Come like some for start check Jamaican and them thing there, you know. Yeah, make him go and give me some blend up on them thing there for go and build up my structure.
Excuse me, your structure no want build up no more, you know? A energy you want. A tired body man now lie down upon me and roll off and go sleep. Oh, so you better go do something.
No, sir. They cannot go do that, man. Me feel say I'm tired and just want some more energy.
But that him down there, you know. So him a drink up roots to get energy. But him better not get the wrong one to give him the wrong kind of energy. Cause him lucky, cause me can't help him with that right now.
Poor bigger. God bless him, though.
Rasta, now your heart. Then wait there. You have to call a cutting right now and cut out all your heart and put it on a table. So the next man and say a Satan a female. You supposed to look by your heart until say Rasta in it.
I want to go and chop. No.
Damn fool this is a talking. I don't want Rasta in my heart. That will cause blockage. And that's a terrible thing.
Then how you dealing with the things about her? You don't know the things set already.
I don't know nothing set, you know. I just know you and what are them thing there. It's rubbish when you're talking. Rasta is a culture. Rasta culture is roots. Drinking roots and ital food. Good food. And listening to uplifting music.
Yeah, a righteous thing, not an about her.
It's a simple thing. It's a logical thing.
A real thing, motor. I'm going to show you some of them. Come on here, you know. Jamie give me a little blend up thing. Bad no blow wow now. I tell me some boy, I can't tell me how I'm. Say, I hear a thing. Same time I see you must ask you why I think.
Yeah. You talk about the thinking to Joss. Good for you, man. You want to try the thinking to a total?
What? Serious thing?
Yeah, it's a terrible thing.
All I go on a motor. Me hear you talk about things and them things there, you know. You say Rasta in my heart and thing.
And that me say. So yeah, try say.
I prepare thing. I bet you never know so over 20 years. Me I live the vegan thing like you.
Yeah.
No egg, no goat, no chicken, no beef, no flesh and them thing there. Just fish and mostly vegetable. You see me?
What kind of fish? That is not vegan.
What kind of thing you talk about? I know Rasta man tell me say anything out of the sea a legit thing.
I don't care what the Rastaman want to tell you. And the Rastaman talk about my vegan white fish. If it's not vegan, it's damn foolish as them talking. Rubbish.
Mota, that I try to show me about him, don't want to listen to I. But Mota, fish and them thing they are not flesh. Fish are just fish, seafood, swim around and thing.
Then if it's not flesh, is what? Our flesh. Yo, I have a new name for you now. The one I'm not talking about, I don't name flesh, but I name fish. I will call on the flesh eaters. Because I don't know it's flesh, but you need the flesh of a fish, and I talk about it is vegan. It's a delusional thing. It's a terrible thing.